Hey everyone, Asjit from Software Tech here. Today we will create a pop-up that contains a form widget and is set to appear after the user has viewed a couple of pages on our website. The pop-up is also limited to only show once, and when the user click on the subscribe button, the pop-up closes automatically. Let's dig in. In Finder, search for pop-up, add a new pop-up and give it a name. Okay, here we can see our templates library with more than 100 templates we can choose from. But I already made a template for this tutorial. So I will go to my templates and click insert. In this pop-up, you can see that we have a headline and image in a form. Let's start with the subscribe button. You wanted to close the pop-up upon click in it. So click on the form and under actions after submit in the drop down menu, choose pop-up. Now we have a new tab called pop-up. Here in the action drop down menu, choose close pop-up and slide the don't show again slider to yes. Okay, so now that the button settings are done, let's click publish and set the conditions, triggers and advanced rules. Click on the add condition and choose entire site. Click next. Here we see the triggers. You want the pop-up to show on page load. So let's switch it to yes and type in the number of seconds. Click next. Here we will see the advanced rules. We want the pop-up to show after the user has visited the few pages on site. So let's switch the show after X page views to yes and type the number of pages. Let's say 3. Okay, everything is set. Click on save and close and let's see it in action. Now we open first page, go to the second page and then open third page. Now wait for 3 seconds. And yes, now let's see if the subscribe button closes the pop-up. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and get all the latest updates and tutorials. Bye bye.